If you don't want to get caught off guard by poor air quality, or you're waiting for it to get better so that you can finally open your windows, you might be checking a site like Purple Air a lot. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up super easy AQI alerts from Boto.io. We'll pull data from Purple Air, and all you need to do is find your closest sensor. So let's get to it. Go to map.purpleair.com and click on a sensor that's close to you. Look at the URL and copy the number after select equal. Now let's go to boto.io/bots and search purple. We'll start with real-time air quality alerts and click use this recipe. In this JSON block right here, update the URL with the sensor ID that you just grabbed from Purple Air. Fill in your email address in all the email blocks. Last but not least, choose how often you want to get these updates, save, and turn on. That's it. This will basically create a feed of AQI updates. But let's say you want to get alerted only when the air quality goes above or below a certain level. Get the alert once recipe, which will only, alert you once when the AQI goes into a healthy or unhealthy range. This one is set with an AQI threshold of 150, but we also have one with a cutoff of 100, which is where I personally start to get concerned. Let us know in the comments if you want a different cutoff, and we'll show you how to adjust the spot. Don't have a Purple Air sensor near you? You can actually get these kinds of alerts from any air quality map that has an API. All these alerts go to your email, but you can also set them up to go to Telegram, Discord, or Slack. Want to customize it more? Hit us up in the comments with any questions. Give us a like or a subscribe if you found this useful, and check out boto.io for more helpful no-code bots.